Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some vintage farmhouse home decor inspiration for your cute home decor. Let's start the video. Vintage farmhouse home decor is a design style that blends rustic, antique, and cozy elements to create a warm and nostalgic atmosphere. It takes inspiration from traditional farmhouses, incorporating edged materials, distressed finishes, and classic rural aesthetics. Key features of vintage farmhouse decor: use natural materials, wood, metal, and stone are commonly used to add warmth and texture. Reclaimed wood is especially popular. Use distressed and weathered finishes. Furniture and decor often have an old, aged look, giving a sense of history and charm. Use neutral and earthy color palette. Soft whites, creams, beige, grays, and muted pastels create a calming and timeless feel. Vintage and antique pieces, incorporating flea market finds, antique furniture, or repurposed items, adds authenticity to the decor. Farmhouse furniture, classic farmhouse tables, open shelving, apron front sinks, and spindle back chairs are iconic elements. Use rustic and industrial accents, galvanized metal, old iron, and industrial light fixtures complement the vintage aesthetic. Use cozy and layered textures, oven baskets, linen curtains, tuned throws, and soft cotton fabrics enhance the cozy appeal. Use farm-inspired decor items like old milk jugs, mason jars, barn doors, and wooden kratas bring a country charm. Handmade and tie touches, repurposed furniture, hand-painted design, and tie decor projects fit perfectly in a vintage farmhouse setting. As floral and botanical elements, fresh or dried flowers, potted plants, and botanical prints add a natural touch. Vintage farmhouse home decor is a timeless and inviting style that blends rustic, antique, and country-inspired elements to create a warm and nostalgic living space. It is deeply rooted in traditional farmhouse aesthetics, but incorporates vintage and repurposed items for added character. Origins and influence: the vintage farmhouse style takes inspiration from rural farmhouses of the past, where practicality and simplicity are essential. It evolves as homeowners repurposed old furniture, used natural materials, and embraced handcrafted details. Today, it remains popular for its cozy lived-in feel and mix of vintage and modern elements. Some tips for vintage farmhouse decor: use of materials and finishes: reclaimed wood used for furniture, beams, and wall paneling, adding warmth and history. Metal accents, galvanized steel, earth iron, and copper used in light fixtures, furniture, and decor pieces. Used stressed and weathered finishes, furniture and decor with chipped paint, faded stains, and natural imperfections for an aged look. Color palette, neutral tones dominate, including white, creams, grays, and beiges. Use soft pastels, hues, light blues, shades cream, plus pink, add a gentle vintage charm. Charcoal accents like deep browns or charcoal gray can create contrast. Furniture style. Farmhouse dining tables. Large sturdy wooden tables with turned legs or crystal bases. Open shelving instead of closed cabinets. Vintage farmhouse kitchens often feature open wooden shelves. Antique or repurposed furniture, dressers, sideboards, or cabinets with ornate details and distressed finishes. Slanting barn doors, signature farmhouse elements, replacing traditional doors for rustic charm. Textures and fabrics, natural fibers, linen, cotton, and burlap, used in curtains, table runners, and upholstery. Layered textures, cozy throw blankets, knitted pillows, and oven baskets, enhance warmth. Handmade quilts and embroidery adds an authentic vintage touch. Vintage accessories and decor use messengers used as vases, storage containers, or light fixtures. Use old farm tools, items like wooden crackers, milk jugs, and washboards repurposed as decor. Antique sign and typography displays old sign with farmhouse sayings or vintage advertisements. Botanical prints and floral arrangements, dried flowers, eucalyptus, or fresh cut blooms in rustic vases. Lighting and fixtures, industrial or rustic candlelights, metal and wood combination for a classic farmhouse appeal. Painted lights with Edison bulbs adds a vintage industrial feel to kitchens and dining spaces. Use lantern style lighting evokes the charm of old farmhouses. Let's cozy and functional spaces. Farmhouse kitchen, apron front sinks, bathtub countertops, and vintage canisters. Living room, slip covered sofas, wooden coffee tables, and an inviting fireplace. Bedroom, old iron bed frames, vintage nightstands, and soft layered bedding. Modern takes on vintage farmhouse decor. While the classic vintage farmhouse style is rooted in nostalgia, many homeowners incorporate modern touches for a fresh look. Modern farmhouse, cleaner lines, minimalist decor, and a mix of contemporary and rustic elements. Friends Country Farmhouse incorporates elegant, antique features, ornate details, and a more refined aesthetic. Industrial Farmhouse blends metal elements, exposed brick, and dark oak tones for a bold, factory-inspired twist. Vintage Farmhouse home decor is a timeless and cozy design style that merges rustic charm, antique elements, and country aesthetics to create warm, welcoming spaces. It draws inspiration from old farmhouses, incorporating repurposed materials, distressed finishes, and handmade decor to evoke a sense of nostalgia and simplicity. History and inspiration. The vintage farmhouse style originates from rural farmhouses of the past, where decor was practical, handcrafted, and built to last. People used local materials like wood, metal, and stone to contrast homes and furniture, resulting in an organic, natural look. Over time, this style evolved, incorporating antique finds and vintage aesthetics, blending functionality with decorative appeal. Core characteristics. Farmhouse-inspired furniture. Used furniture in vintage farmhouse decor is sturdy, functional, and often repurposed or handcrafted. Key features include a large wooden table with a rustic finish, often paired with mismatched chairs, is buffets and hatches, vintage cabinets for displaying dishes and decor. Wooden or metal shelves in a state of upper cabinets in kitchens, often painted or distressed for added charm. Sleep-covered sofas and armchairs, soft, cozy, and inviting, often in linen or cotton fabrics. Use antique and vintage decor. Decor pieces are often repurposed or have a story behind them. Some popular vintage farmhouse accessories include mason jars and glass bottles used for vases, storage, or lighting. Old farm tools and kitchenware, wooden crackers, enamelware, and milk jugs make charming decor. Distress old sign featuring hand-painted typography with farmhouse sayings. Use botanical and floral accents, dried flowers, eucalyptus garlands, and vintage botanical prints. Vintage farmhouse decor for different spaces. Kitchen. Use apron front farmhouse sinks. Use open wooden shelving with vintage dishes. Use vodka block countertops, antique kitchen skulls, and enamel canisters. A rustic dining table with a mix of wooden and metal chairs. Living room, a slip-covered or tufted sofa in neutral tones. Use a distressed old coffee table with a tray of vintage decor. Use layered area rugs with a mix of textures. Use a stone or brick fireplace with a reclaimed old mantel. Use industrial style light fixtures and lanterns. Beijing, a old iron or wooden bed frame, use soft layered bedding with linen and cotton fabrics. Vintage nightstands with mismatched table lamps. Is a cozy reading nook with a rustic wooden chair. Antique mirrors and distressed dressers for storage. Bathroom, a vintage vanity with a vessel sinks. Clawfoot bathtubs for an old world charm. Open shelving with art baskets and glass jars. Subwood tile walls with turf grout for a classic look. Bronze or brass silverware for a vintage touch. Entryway and hallway, a wooden bench with open baskets underneath for storage. Vintage hooks and wall-mounted shelves for coats and bags. Antique-style mirrors to make the space feel bigger. Use a distressed console table with a mix of decor pieces. How to incorporate vintage farmhouse style in your home? Start with small changes. If you are new to vintage farmhouse decor, start by adding small touches, like soft modern decor for antique or distressed pieces. Use vintage trays, vases, and picture frames. Replace store-bought art with rustic sign or botanical frames. I think these ideas will help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.